I believe that the videos are dangerous. They are dangerous because what they actually do, because of the content and how they frame the arguments, being specific about certain individuals and talking about them. It is almost as if you're fingering individuals and you're saying some things about them that could incite others to make it difficult for them to do their jobs, to go, to go around wherever the community is, the island, and so on. And so I believe it is dangerous. I believe that those who are doing it should stop. I believe that those who are close to those who are doing it should tell them to stop. And I believe, at the end of the day, that we have to set a standard for how we deal with things like these. The media doesn't always say things about us that we like. Opinions differ on issues and on the positions that we take. All of that, we understand that. There's no problem in challenging a story's point of view or challenging a perspective that someone has. But when you move it now from the action that the person did or the argument that the person made and you focus it on the person, then now that becomes a whole another kettle of fish and something that I believe we should not turn a blind eye to and we definitely should not ignore. Absolutely, the People's National Party is very clear that there are going to be times when we are going to have to call the media out on what they have said or how they have interpreted a particular story or something that we have done. That is in the normal and cut and thrust of the business in which we are. But we certainly condemn any attempt at identifying individuals and doing it in a way that calls attention to them that could set them up and could make their lives difficult. There were videos going around that support me and that are saying something else about individuals in the media and so on, especially kinds of things that we see. I would call them out. I would ask them to stop. Maybe I noticed that these videos are primarily around the Prime Minister, and therefore I think someone should bring it to his attention so that he can call it out and he can publicly state how he feels about it and ask them to stop, because I believe that this is setting really a very dangerous precedent in our country.